inner one, and then we have the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one. So it's a little out of order. So all we have to do is figure out which ones are inside that shouldn't be, and I think it's starting with 46 for me. Double check for you. But you see, I have like big, 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 and then tiny. So I'm going to grab the tiny one, and all the ones that come after it in my particular circumstance. You see, we got these inner ones. So all I'm going to do is grab these and move them to the top. And our cinema doesn't know the order these are supposed to be in, so it's pretty impressive that it's almost completely in order. So now you see, this is the outermost one, and I think this outermost one we have to drag to the bottom. And both times I've done this, this has been the case, so I think that will kind of consistently happen that way with this setup. But now you can see I click on this one, and the tiniest one is here, and now as I hold down, it's going to scroll out and select the more and more and more rings all the way to the outside, and now at the end. So they are all in order, and that's important for the next part of the process. Okay, also I'm going to hit render just to make sure our image is maintained, and yes, it's still working perfectly fine. We have a ring per object. So what's up next? Next up, we're going to make a fracture object, because a fracture object makes a bunch of different objects behave like they're in a cloner. So I'm going to take all these, throw it inside the fracture, and I didn't need the parent anymore, so I can actually minimize that, delete